Do you love cabooses? My I Love Cabooses poster features 64 illustrations of my cabooses. My There Goes Cabooses booklet features illustrations of my cabooses as well. My larger and smaller individual vinyl stickers feature illustrations of my cabooses. This one's from the Essex Steam Train in Essex, Connecticut. For collectors of my magnets, all of my illustrations of cabooses are also featured on magnets. My I Love Cabooses song is also now a popular music video on my Andy Fletcher Music YouTube channel. Collect my posters, train booklets, vinyl stickers, and magnets at my customtrains.org website.
I love cabooses, how about you? UP Caboose America, we're pulling for you. Stove is going, coffee's on. Down the tracks we safely move on.